Come on, Kiki. Blah, blah, blah. That one has the funniest. That one makes the funniest noises. Where's Jerry at? She needs some of this too. Come on, Kikis. Okay, hold on. Okay. Don't fight over it. All right. You each get. All right. Who's going first? I need a little more than that. That's about right there. Okay, hold on. Okay, here. No, I need you to eat this first. Here. Here's yours. There you go. You know that. This. Well, he's taking it away. Tom, don't take it. Tom. Allie, get back. Hey, let's not fight. Tom, here, Kiki. Here, Kiki. There you go. Yeah, dude. There, Tom. Allie, get back. She's like, I want some tuna too. You want some tuna too? Tom, Kiki. Right here, buddy. Are you serious? There's Jerry. Good, you can come get your dose too. Hold on. You can't have that one though. Hold on, Jerry. Hold on. It's okay, baby. Hold on. Here, I'm gonna let Tom eat that. You can come up here. Oh, got it? All right. Hold on. Here, I'm gonna put here. Oh, here, Jerry. Jax, don't be getting an attitude. Okay, there. I haven't given the goats their frickin' hay yet. I already gave them their feed, but they're getting ridiculous. They want their hay. So here, let's do this. Hold on, Jerry. Hold on. Yeah, your supplement is there. Here. Right here. Oh, don't drop it. Yeah, there you go. Got it? There. Everybody getting their dosage. Yeah, I just got this at the feed store. So, man, it does a lot of cats. $10, not too bad. So, come on, get these goats some hay. Jake with some hay too. Coming. She's like, I don't know how to get past the cat, Daddy. Allie, coming. She just doesn't know what to do. You could step over the cat. It's okay. Allie, come here. Here, come here. Come in. Allie, come in here now. Come in here now. Come in. She won't do it. Why would you not step over the cat? She's like, if I start shit with this one, they're all three gonna jump me, Daddy. All three gonna get me. Come in, Allie. Come here. Come in. Come in. Come in. You're something else. All right, cats. Jerry, Sweetie. Boots. Love ya. Tom. Yeah. All right. You guys got Allie in check, don't you? Oh. All right. We've got work to do. Working on this, getting this all redone for our chicken coop. So stay tuned for that. Modifying that whole thing into a coop. Let me see. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's take this ladder. Oh, you guys want to see where... I know I ain't got too much going on with the castle right now, but check it out. You can see we got to get the other tarp up, but you can see the foam. So we got these foam panels. We just did that. We did that side a few days ago. I need to get the other. I've got the other tarp. I need to get the other tarp over it because you can see I didn't have a tarp on it. That only took about 2 weeks. Once they started getting 100 degrees, and they started kind of. Do you want up here? You want up here? Someday. No. We should be getting a lot done on this castle this coming year. The biggest problem is everything is just skyrocketed. And it's just, things are just not in the budget right now. So, I mean, it is what it is. But, hey, it's comfortable to live in. It's all that matters. For now. Okay, let's go. My brother Brad, he's harvested some off of it. And then our neighbor came by with his boy, and they was teaching his boy about making some stuff that we're gonna make. I haven't even told you what we're doing yet, have I? So what the fuck are we doing, man? What are we doing with this freaking ladder and this freaking... Oh god, this is not gonna be tall enough. Oh mother, it might be. Oh, it's tall enough. See those nice walnuts, those walnuts right there? That's what we're after. Okay, kids, if you try this at home, video it. Oh boy, watch that be a weak branch and it just breaks. It's not a weak branch. See, we got some here, but I mean, this thing is usually full of walnuts. Yeah, there's just not much on this. I wonder if I could reach those. Oh my gosh, I almost can. I bet I can. I really just don't want to move too much. Yay! Alright, hopefully we find some more. That's really not... Oh, look. Oh, jeez. I don't know how to get those. How am I gonna get those? I wonder if I can... I could pull that branch, because it's on a dead branch almost. That's not right. Oh, there's more right there too. Here, I think I could... This is hedge. That ain't going nowhere. I'm just worried about weak branches from the storm that we had a while back. We still have branches falling. Everywhere, shit falling still. should be able to put this here. I'm gonna mess it up. Alright, that'll work. Kinda. Get the right angle. Damn it, Bobby. I think I could just reach him and pull him. Okay. Yeah, come here. I want you. And there's more up there. See any more? Yeah, this is crazy. This thing, yeah, there's some way up there. This thing is usually like every so many walnuts you know you do with them all. There's some on this side, right there. Let's see if I move it. Get it on this side. Okay, we're good. Alright, we're good. Where are you at? I see you. I don't see him now. Oh, right in front of me. Good. Oh, there's a good little patch here. I'm gonna have to go up one more. Oh, that's getting wobbly. Wobbly. Oh, come on. Smells good. I like the smell. Okay, is there any more? It's a good little cluster right here. Any more? Oh, there's one. There's some. There's a cluster right there. There's a cluster. But that's nuts. Like, I see another one there. I don't know how I'd get to that one. That one I might be able to get to. Actually, I might be able to just knock those down. Oh man, look. Okay, look. There's a cluster. There's a cluster. I don't know if that ladder will reach that tall. We'll find out. I could be wrong. Oh boy. I mean, I got bigger ladders. Oh, look at that. I don't know if I can knock them down. Where'd they go? Oh, they're right there. Actually, that's probably a really bad idea. That's a dead branch. But they're right there. That's it. Knock them down. Knock them down. They're not coming down. Let's knock them down. Knock them down. Come on. Oh, yeah. I think we got them all. Should have been 4 of them. Hell yeah. Yeah. Well, there's a will, there's a way. Okay, we're getting there. See my pole. I don't think I have a pole that tall though. That's what the only thing. Okay. Let's get right there. Okay, come on, knock him down. Knock him down. They're gonna hit me in the head. There goes a couple more. There goes. See what we got now. So, set this here. Yeah, wherever you want to go. Have to go in there and get some. Nope, that's junk. Oh yeah. Okay, reach them. I'll put the ladder on the chicken coop, soon to be chicken coop. See if there's any on here anyway. Nope. I need to get it. Oh shit. No. Where are they? I don't even see them now. Damn it, Bobby. I don't even see them. Oh, right there. Okay, come to daddy. Yeah, that's not happening. I can get a pole. Let's go grab a pole real quick. That's a good cluster right there. Here, yeah, look. I'll go get a pole. Walnut beat down. All right. Alrighty. Strike one. Don't need to hit him out of the park. We'll get off of there. What? Wow. There it goes. Yeah. Alrighty. I gotta go up a little bit. Miss. Hey, reach that one? Nope. Oh, looky. Oh, miss. All right. All right. It's a nice cluster. You know what? If I stand, it's a few years old. A couple. Home run. Aim for the bucket. Wait. Oh man. Okay, that's enough. Alright, let's go collect them. That's a good. That's what we need. Whew. Harvesting walnuts ain't easy. Gotta get gangster on them motherfuckers. Oh, let's take this ladder too. No sense in these trips. Oh.
The youngster may seem vulnerable, but she's not completely defenseless. She has a superpower to protect her. For the first few days of her life, she has no scent. Predators, like the park's mountain lions, can't smell her and won't come looking. Laying low should be enough, so long as she just keeps still. The Grand Canyon is a place of many different worlds. The life-giving waters of the Colorado run year-round. But on the plateau, it's a very different story.
See what would happen in my hands if I didn't wear gloves? And look, that doesn't come off. So this would stain your hands for weeks, like 2 months. So
New grasses and fast-growing flowers spring up.
you ever want a natural stain? Wait till the walnuts get brown and then just crush them. And then add or like a reducer if you wanted to, like a thinner. So like a mineral spirits would probably be the best, I would think. Cheap liquor, you can use vodka. I think you use anything you want, gin, anything, as long as it's just straight. I don't think you want to use bourbon or whiskey though. You want to use a vodka or gin or something. But we'll just fill that all the way up.
His shell is still soft. And it'll be 5 years before it's hard like a shield. Until then,
You know,
he relies on a bit of luck
this is real annoying.
and the vastness of
Let's
his
just take that off of there. There you go. All right, we fill this up. Hey, that's way better.
New home found, he hunkers down.
Bam. That's it. Put a lid on it.
Some of the park's residents stay quietly his way. Others are
And then you put that up on the shelf for about 2 months.
early fall is elk mating.
We'll come back and take a look at it. About 2 months. And then you got yourself an anti-parasitic, one of the best anti-parasitic tonics. Guys, I got this jar, and this jar I'm gonna put some cinnamon in. So it's all different types of recipes you can do. You can put cloves in there too. So I'm gonna put some cinnamon in that one. Look how black those are already turned.